Who's ready to practice writing your D? Okay, now this is another fun one. We still use our magic C, and our C is so magic because we use it to form so many of our letters. So, like we do always, we're going to practice at the top. We make a magic C. These are all the steps to make your D. So we go magic C, up like a helicopter, kind of like we did on the A. And then, oops, there we go. Then you're going to go even up higher. So magic C, up like a helicopter, up higher, and then we're going to bump back down when we're done. So you don't need to pick up your pencil. You bump back down when you're done. So let's practice on our bottom line. Start on the dot, copy D. So on my capital D, I'm going to do one big straight line down, big curve around. Now we're going to do magic C, up like a helicopter, keep on going, bump back down. Magic C, up like a helicopter, keep on going, bump down. Magic C, up like a helicopter, keep on going, bump back down. Okay, now keep going. Magic C, up like a helicopter. Ooh, I went really high up on that one. And then back down, bump. Magic C, up like a helicopter, back down, bump. Magic C, up like a helicopter, back down, bump. Magic C, up like a helicopter, back down, bump. Magic C, up like a helicopter, back down, bump. Ooh, wow, that was my best one. Magic C, up like a helicopter, back down, bump. Magic C, up like a helicopter, back down, bump. Okay, let's do our best work now. Magic C, up like a helicopter, back down, bump. And we rocked it. So we're going to check that off. D is for dragon. D can also be for dad. It can be for... There's lots of other words it can be for. So if you think of any, you can add them to our list down here. And we are going to move on to our next page that has some words. And it says copy the sentences. So first we're going to copy our capital D's. So I'm going to do big line down, big curve around. And if you need more practice, you can always trace the ones that are already done for you. And then big line down, big curve around. Big line down, big curve around. Perfect. Now you do your lowercase d. And we're going to, can you guys tell me what it will be? We'll do a magic C. Up like a helicopter, keep on going, back down, bump. And let me try that one more time because it wasn't truly my best work. Here we go. Magic C, up like a helicopter, keep on going, back down, bump. Magic C, up like a helicopter, keep on going, back down, bump. Magic C, up like a helicopter, keep on going, back down, bump. Okay, now you can see up here we have 5. These are dice. So we have 5 and 2 make 7, and 4 and 3 make, if you can figure it out, put your answer on the line right here. Okay. And you are going to be doing these in your own books. Now it says copy the sentences. As you can see, the sentences start with a capital letter. So I can see my big capital, And we always start at the top with our big line down. And then we frog jump back to the top to cross. And then we also see that over here it ends with a period. So, and you can see that I used my 2 finger spaces between all 3 words. And so as I practice, mine should look almost exactly like the one above. And remember, I shouldn't form the letters like I want to form them. I should form them the way we learned them in the previous lessons. So, big straight line down. Ooh, and I got to bump the bottom. Let me try that again. We're going to do you see how it's not perfect every time that I even make mistakes and I just have to keep practicing? Big line down, bump, and then jump to the top to cross. Now we're going to do magic C and keep on going. And then we're going to do magic C, up like a helicopter, keep on going, back down, bump. Magic C, up like a helicopter, keep on going, back down, bump. Now we're going to do our 2 finger space, so make sure you use 2 fingers. Then you're going to start your next word. Magic C, up like a helicopter, back down, bump. Magic C, up like a helicopter, keep on going, back down, bump. Magic C, up like a helicopter, keep on going, back down, bump. Little magic C, turn down and around. So this one says T. Can you guys read with me? Try and read it before I read it for you. The sentence says, Todd adds dots. So up there, not only does Todd add dots, you guys are going to add dots too. So we're going to say, Magic C, up like a helicopter, keep on going, back down, bump. Magic C, keep on going. Big straight line down, little line across. Little magic C, turn down and around. And then don't forget your period. So it says Todd adds dots. Now we're going to say I add dots too. We're going to do a big straight line down and two little lines. And now we're going to write the word add, but I need my 2 finger spaces. And then I'm going to do magic C, keep on going, bump, and back down, bump. And now magic C, up like a helicopter, keep on going, back down, bump. Magic C, up like a helicopter, keep on going, back down, bump. Now we're going to use our 2 finger space. Magic C, up like a helicopter, keep on going, back down, bump. Magic C, keep on going. Big straight line down, little line across. Little magic C, turn down and around. Now big line. Don't forget your 2 finger space. Big line down, little line across, and then 2 magic C's where you keep on going. Don't forget your period at the end. And it says check your sentences. So we have to check that there's capital letters and that there's periods and that you use 2 finger spaces. So I checked my sentences. I read them to myself by saying Todd adds dots. I add dots too. All right, great job today, boys and girls.